Wow. And I'm just saying wow because I'm still a little bit amazed about the quality of this. What's happening there with my cats? About this queen size convertible 2-in-1 sofa and sofa bed as well that this brand sent to me for the video. This is actually the third product that they sent to me. We actually kept two of them, and this is the third one that we're gonna actually test ourselves. But I already know that we're gonna keep this one because we had one before that it was way smaller. It was like 55, 56 inches, I think. So this is 70 inches. This is way bigger, but also it's very resistant. I'm gonna show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. I'm gonna show everything to you, the functions, the feature, everything. I mean, of course, they like it, they love it. That's one of the most important things for us. We also have 4 cats at home, so having them as companions on our sofa is also a good thing that we do. But this one supports up to 800 pounds. The one that we had before was like more than, I think it was like a little bit of 500. So this one is still like a way more weight that supports. It also comes with a thick cushion, like a thick pillow over there for sleeping. And these are really good cushions as well. I'm going to show everything to you in a close-up, but the bottom line is that, number one, the assembly process of this one is not going to take you more than half hour. I did it myself, just myself, and it took me half hour, like 26, 27 minutes. The first part, you just like slide them in and that's it. And then you put some screws, take out the part of the mattress, and that's it. That's going to be it. I tried it already. The actual cushion, the actual pillow inside has the plastic. So you're going to see that this is a very new one, but I tried it and it feels super nice. So let's actually take a closer look. This is a 70 inches queen size 2-in-1 convertible sofa mattress. So first thing that I want to show you with Tiger Shark over here being the subject, how thick and how firm these ones are. They're really thick, as you can see over here. They also come with a Velcro, so they're not going to slide, they're not going to move easily, so that's another good thing. And these are kind of like the same thing. These are the big deal. You can see that these ones are very kind of like cushion, super well padded, and also comes right here with another set of 2 pillows for you to kind of like use as pillows when you're sleeping or on the sides as well. So this is number one. This corduroy is super soft and easy, of course, kind of like soft to the touch, but firm and steady as well. It comes in multiple colors as well. Well, he doesn't want to go, so he's going to be part of the video still. You're going to find 2 cup holders, one right here on the right side, one on the left side, and these are plastic cup holders, so they can get wet, then it's not going to happen. Anything is going to happen. You're also going to find on this side 2 USB-A ports for charging purposes, so you can charge your phone when you're kind of like, let's say, where you're sitting scrolling or something like that, or you're watching some TV episode on your tablet. You can plug this right here with 2 USB-A ports. Also, this remote controller, let me show you what it does. So then let me show you that this remote controller, boom, you have LED lights. You can actually change the colors of the LED lights. You can put a timer, you can dim it. You can actually put some kind of like really nice moody lights on your sofa in your office or living room or whatever you want to put this really nice love seat. I was just planning to show you this the easy way and just remove every pillow, but he doesn't want to move because he really likes this love seat and we really like it too. But come on, Tiger. You gotta move, boy. You gotta really move. Come on. This is kind of like le creme de la creme, or however you want to say it. You kind of like take this one before you just remove everything. And you can see that this one still has the plastic in here. So you remove this one, you put it back just like this. Once you have it like this, push it out just like this. It's gonna do this. Then you pull these legs over here. And what it's gonna do, let me actually lock it right here. These are the legs, right? Am I taking it right? No, these are the legs. Yeah, these are the legs. So you take the legs out, move it like this. Then I make contact with the floor. Then you move these legs over here. And then voila, you're going to have your queen mattress over here. Still with the plastic, but super comfy. So then you're going to use this right here. So you can actually put some pillows. You can put some kind of like support over there with the big pillows that you had before. So you're not going to be kind of like falling out or nothing is going to be falling that way. And then you have this really nice, I have to say. That is a nice, sorry about the plastic, but I don't want to remove it just yet. But yeah, this is pretty good. Feels really nice. I have to say that feels really nice. The good thing about this one is that it's for 2 people for sure, up to 3 if you have a kid or something like that. You can do it as well, but it's a good mattress. I have to say you can put one a little bit bigger if you want, but not super big. And of course, just having the chance to have this on when you have friends or family crashing your place or something like that. But when it is a love seat, it is super comfortable as well. So both things are really good. You have the cup holders, 800 pounds weight limit, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, easy assemble, really good pillows, really good cushions, super easy to put together. And again, just like transform it into a queen bed or just love seat. And of course, you have the USB ports as well to charge it. And Corduroy, this is just one of the colors. They have two other colors, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I really like it. I'm going to give it a huge thumbs up. And yeah, we're going to keep this one as well. Yeah, we have a new love seat. I hope this was useful for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.